Samsung's latest unveil in the smartphone market is stirring up excitement with its new lineup, including the Galaxy A55, A55 5G, and S25. But it's the Galaxy A55 that's stealing the spotlight, promising to redefine what we expect from a mid-range phone. With the Exynos 148 processor at its heart, this phone is a multitasking powerhouse, blending top-tier performance with sleek design. Its slim bezels and metal frame hint at a luxurious feel, while the triple-camera setup, with a 50 megapixels main shooter, ensures photography lovers won't miss a beat. The Galaxy A55 isn't just about looks and power, it's packed with features aimed at enhancing the user experience. Expect stereo speakers for immersive sound, an in-display fingerprint sensor for seamless security, and an IP60 rating for dust and water resistance, adding durability to its long list of charms. As we await its release, the Galaxy A55 is shaping up to be a standout device, promising the perfect mix of style, power, and innovation. Stay tuned and share your thoughts on this exciting development in the comments.